Hello. Today I'm going to walk you through how to adjust the drop shadow on your booklet. First thing you're going to do is log into your dashboard. As you can see, I'm in mine here. And then there are a few ways to get there, but the most direct way is to locate the simple booklet you want to work on. I'm going to work on this front one here, and go to the icon, which is represented as a painter's palette, this little circle, half circle here. It says configure presentation. Go ahead and click that. And then from here, you're going to go to page flip, which is the top one in your left-hand menu. And you're going to go down to page shadow, and it's represented by a ghost here. Here you can toggle on and off the shadow. So as you can see, I'm going to draw your attention. Take a look down here and just to the side. And that's off at the moment, and then that's on, so you can see the drop shadow there. So off, on. This can be very useful, especially if you have the same color backdrop. So as you can see, my newsletter is white and I'm working with this sort of off cream backdrop here, and so that will help the border of that stand out really well. But it works great on other colors as well, but this is where you go to experiment with that. Okay, that's all I have for you. Thanks.